Hello everyone. If you're having trouble accessing your Gmail account with the Google couldn't verify this account belongs to you error, this is a common error here. Let me walk you through how to fix it. So by going to the Gmail login page and select your forgot email or forgot password to begin the recovery process. Alright, and then this one actually let me open it and enter your recovery email or phone number associated with the account. If you don't have this setup, this step may be more challenging. All right. So also take a look at this one. Uh, so this is the recovery loop you are currently in. If you keep getting the same error, try waiting a full week without attempting to log in. So wait, do not just repeatedly send a code verification code. This might be an error on their end on Gmail, Google's end. All right. So repeated recovery attempts, as I've seen here on the forum, can actually delay your verification. So there is a timer that you need to reset, and waiting may allow more recovery options to appear. Sometimes Google flags your account for some God knows what reasons, and if this happens, the best option is to wait for a while or follow the prompts Google provides during recovery. Another thing is that if you don't have a recovery phone, this will be very hard to recover. All right, they need to verify the identity for some cases. In most cases, yeah, that's the main thing. Make sure these recovery options are set up for future use. Also, there is unfortunately Google doesn't offer direct support for recovery, but you can still go call the help center or submit a ticket or something if you can find that link. I wasn't able to find it, but if you can like mention them on Twitter on somewhere, hopefully they will sort it out for you. So these are the general steps. So the main point here is that you need to actually wait. So do not attempt for repeated recovery, just to wait and follow along. And that's it.